but you are so welcome. Yes! So last week we started learning about the means of communication in the olden days compared to today. I did mention that there are 5 different ways of communicating. The first one is our body part, and we did discuss how to communicate with our eyes, our nose, our mouth, our hands in Yoruba lands, okay? Now today we're going to talk about ìlù. If you remember your Yoruba alphabet, alabidi, ṣẹ̀rántí ìlù. So today we are going to be discussing about ìlù, and I'm sure you know what that is, okay? Ìlù. Okay? So before we go to our lesson of today, we have to greet everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enyo, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekaso, Ekale. Akudede àsìkò ní gbogbo tí a bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ àtijó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lórí ètò lónìí a máa tẹ̀síwájú nínú ọ̀nà ìbáraẹnisọ̀rọ̀ láyé àtijọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lọ́sẹ̀ tó kọjá a kọ́ nípa bí a ti ń fi ẹ̀yà ara bára ẹni sọ̀rọ̀. A kọ́ nípa wípé ìlù náà jẹ́ ohun tá a fi ń bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Fèrè, àmì àti àrokò pípa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá a sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bá ṣe ń fi ẹ̀yà ara wa sọ̀rọ̀, bí a ti ń fi ojú bára wa bára ẹni sọ̀rọ̀, bá a ti ń mọ́ra wa lójú, bá a ti ń yínmú síra wa, bá a ti ń pòṣé, bàbá ríyàn, bá a sì ti ń fi ọwọ́ ẹ̀yìn ọwọ́ àti ojú ọwọ́ bára wa sọ̀rọ̀. Ní ti tòní a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí a ti ń fi ìlù bára wa sọ̀rọ̀. Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ náà a ní oríṣiríṣi ìlù. A ní bàtá, a ní gángan, a ní gbẹ̀du, a ní àgídìgbo, a dẹ̀ ní bẹ̀ẹ̀bẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ṣóyè yín ní ìlù tí a bá wà ní òde ijó, bí wọ́n bá fẹ́ kíyàn lórí kí ilé bàbá rẹ̀, a máa lo ìlù láti fi kì wọ́n. Kò sì sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ fi ẹnu wa sọ tí a lè fi ìlù sọ. Bó jẹ́ ìlù omele, sí bí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe fẹ́ tóbi tó àbí bó ṣe fẹ́ gùn tó tí a lè fi ìlù sọ. Gbogbo oríṣiríṣi ìlù tó wà òun ni a lè fi sọ̀rọ̀. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì òun ni màá máa fi bá àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi sọ̀rọ̀. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. So guys, like I said, today we're going to be dealing with drums. And you know what drum is in Yoruba, right? It is what? Ìlù. Ẹ ṣára yín látẹ̀wọ́, ẹ ṣeun, ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. So in Yoruba land, okay, drums is a means at which we can communicate, okay? There are different types of drums. There is nothing you want to say with your mouth that you cannot say through the drums. When you're at a party and they want to celebrate the celebrant, maybe praise them in their ancestral, or maybe there is a battle, okay? They can communicate with them. No matter what they want to say in those days, they say it through the drums, okay? Also, maybe there is a new king being appointed. At every occasion, there is drum, and they are communicating. In fact, you will hear some say, you know, tó bá ṣe pé mi nìwọ ni, ǹbá fapájó, bó bá ṣe pé mi nìwọ ni, ǹbá fẹsẹ̀jó, tó bá ṣe pé mi nìwọ ni, ǹbá gbogbo ara jó, right? And also you hear some sometimes like nǹkan mi ni, ẹ má bá dù, ẹnìkan bá mi dùn mí, ẹ má bá dù. They're different. I mean, Yoruba culture is so beautiful and rich. There is nothing you want to say that they cannot say through the drums. And also, if they want to abuse each other, they can abuse each other through the drums. You understand? There's so many things that can be done with the drums, okay? So that is it for today. Next week, we're going to communicate about flutes, okay? We're going to talk about flutes. We're going to talk about the signs, okay? And then we're going to talk about the objects, okay? Aroko, pipa, fairy, ati, ami, okay? So, as you know, we're going to be saying our number together on the count of 8.